To begin, go to the Edit Code section and click on Customize Theme. Once there, click on Add Section, then select the section name, such as RI Scrolling Logo. If you wish to add more blocks, simply click on Add Client Logo. From here, you can remove an item if necessary by clicking on the Remove icon beside each block. You also have the option to upload a client logo image directly from your device. If you prefer linking to an external image, you can paste the image URL into the designated field. This flexibility ensures seamless integration of brand assets from various sources. Afterward, click on the second item where you can add another image and input its respective image URL. You can repeat this step for each additional client logo you want to display in the scrolling area. Next, go back and click on RI Scrolling Logo. Here, you can add a header text that introduces the section. This header can be customized using the built-in settings, enable or disable custom fonts, adjust the heading font size for visual hierarchy, and set the text alignment, left, center, or right, to suit your layout needs. Additionally, you can configure the scroll bar speed for the logo animation, making it faster or slower based on the desired visual flow. You also have the option to enable or disable the Pause on Hover feature, allowing users to pause the scroll by simply hovering over the logos. To enhance visual appeal, you can toggle the shadow effect to give the logos a subtle lift from the background. For layout refinement, adjust the slider margin top and slider padding top and bottom. You can also define the gap between slider items to ensure logos are evenly spaced and not cluttered. For mobile responsiveness, there's a separate setting to adjust the item gap specifically for mobile view, helping maintain a balanced and accessible design across all screen sizes. The slider direction can also be set, horizontal scrolling from left to right or reversed. When it comes to styling the icons, you can specify their width in pixels for consistent sizing. In the color settings, you have control over the header color, border color, section background color, and the slider background color, allowing you to match the component to your brand theme. Furthermore, the layout can be refined by adjusting the outside section margin, top and bottom, as well as the inside section padding, top and bottom. If you prefer the section to stretch edge to edge across the screen, you can enable full-width display for a more immersive layout. Lastly, always preview your changes to ensure everything aligns with your design vision, and don't forget to save your customizations once you're satisfied with the final look.